Have you ever seen a balloon inflate really fast? It's quite a sight, isn't it? The way it expands in just a few seconds is fascinating. That's kind of what an airbag does in a car crash, but instead of air, it's filled with special gas. This gas allows the airbag to inflate almost instantly, providing a cushion to protect the passengers. Airbags are like super safety cushions that pop out of the steering wheel, dashboard, or even the sides of the car to protect people during a collision. They are strategically placed to ensure maximum protection for everyone inside the vehicle. They're designed to inflate in a blink of an eye, much faster than you can say, "safety first." This rapid inflation is crucial because it needs to happen before the occupants can be thrown forward by the impact. Airbags are essential safety features in modern vehicles, and they play a crucial role in saving lives by minimizing injuries during accidents. They work in conjunction with seat belts to provide a comprehensive safety system. By understanding how airbags work, we can appreciate their importance and make informed decisions about vehicle safety. It's amazing to think about the technology and engineering that goes into making these life-saving devices. So next time you get into a car, remember the incredible safety features that are there to protect you. Imagine a giant pillow suddenly appearing to cushion you during a fall. That's what an airbag does. It's a safety device made of a thin, strong fabric bag folded inside the steering wheel, dashboard, or other parts of the car's interior. When there's a crash, the airbag inflates rapidly with gas, creating a protective barrier between you and the hard surfaces of the vehicle. Airbags are designed to work in conjunction with seat belts to provide maximum protection during a collision. They help distribute the impact force over a larger area of the body, reducing the risk of severe injuries. Airbags are pretty smart. They are designed to protect you in the event of a crash, and they do this with incredible precision and speed. They have their own little computer called an ECU, or electronic control unit. This tiny computer is the mastermind behind the airbag system. It's like the airbag's brain, and it constantly monitors the car's sensors. These sensors provide real-time data to the ECU. These sensors are like the car's eyes and ears, and they detect sudden changes in speed or direction, like during a collision. They are strategically placed throughout the vehicle to ensure maximum coverage. When the sensors detect a crash, they send a signal to the ECU. This signal is a crucial piece of information that the ECU needs to make a decision. The ECU then analyzes the signal to determine if the crash is severe enough to deploy the airbags. It does this by processing the data in milliseconds. If it is, the ECU sends an electrical signal to the airbag module, which contains the folded airbag and a special inflator mechanism. This inflator rapidly fills the airbag with gas, causing it to deploy and cushion the impact, protecting the occupants of the vehicle. Section 4. Airbags in action. In this section, we will explore the fascinating and life-saving technology behind airbags, which are crucial for vehicle safety. When the ECU, or electronic control unit, sends the signal, the inflator inside the airbag module ignites a small explosive charge. This is a critical moment in the airbag deployment process. This ignition creates a rapid expansion of nitrogen gas, instantly inflating the airbag like a balloon. The gas fills the airbag in a matter of milliseconds, ensuring it is ready to protect the occupants. The whole process happens incredibly fast, usually within a fraction of a second, much faster than the blink of an eye. This speed is essential to provide timely protection during a collision. As the airbag inflates, it bursts out of its housing and cushions the occupants of the vehicle. This cushioning effect is vital in reducing the impact force experienced by the passengers. The airbag's surface area helps distribute the impact force over a wider area, reducing the severity of potential injuries. By spreading out the force, the airbag minimizes the risk of serious harm. After cushioning the impact, the airbag quickly deflates through small vents, allowing the occupants to move freely. This deflation is crucial for preventing further injury and enabling passengers to exit the vehicle safely. Section 5. Staying safe on the road. Remember, airbags are designed to work best when used with seat belts. Always buckle up, no matter how short the trip, and make sure children are properly secured in age-appropriate car seats. It's also important to have your car's airbag system checked regularly. by a qualified mechanic. This ensures that the airbags are in good working condition and will deploy correctly if needed. By taking these precautions and being mindful of vehicle safety, we can all contribute to safer roads for everyone.